Who's never done this before? This is their first time ever.
Bro, what do you mean?
Down CityWalk, this is one of the best window displays they've ever done. That's awesome. I absolutely love this. You have the birds up here, everything, but damn, that's an awesome display. Good job, Universal. So if you're in the mood for Scooby-Doo before FanFest, there's also the escape room here that you can do with your friends. So come and check it out if you really can't wait for a Scooby-Doo attraction. There is one officially here at Universal CityWalk. WaterWorld is down currently until Valentine's Day, which is on Saturday this year. They're obviously doing normal refresh and also probably a little bit of prep work for the One Piece show, which is coming for FanFest, which we'll talk about in a moment. FanFest news really quick. So right now, WaterWorld is closed for refurbishment right now, but two exciting things are coming to FanFest, which is the WaterWorld stage will be used for One Piece, the show. There'll be a One Piece show that will be taking place. So right here in the WaterWorld stage, just like how they have the Purge show, they'll have a WaterWorld show. Hopefully we get Chopper as a puppet and we're gonna see all the characters they're casting now. I can't wait. This and Scooby are the things I'm most excited about, I think. I'm super excited for this, and also have meet and greets. Probably not here at the Jaws area. They'll probably have us meet like they did last year out on the main street. So you can either meet the One Piece characters and also see them in a awesome, strong show. Like, this is gonna be awesome. Super excited. Let me know what you're most excited about for FanFest as we talk about all the different things happening soon. CityWalk if you're looking for One Piece stuff because you're excited about FanFest. There's a bunch of anime stuff in here. You got a Luffy statue you can take a picture with, and a lot of characters inside here from a bunch of different animes, manga, and more. Hollywood dying, and they're actually telling you to go eat somewhere else. I don't know if that's just temporary. Like, I know that this location will come back, but is this location actually, I've heard rumors this location may be done until February, like literally until WaterWorld reopens. Let me know if you've heard anything about Hollywood dying. Is it going to be coming back, or are we waiting until Valentine's Day for this to come back? The Transformers, which by the way is open till 10 a.m. on most mornings now. Over here, this will be Dungeons and Dragons. It'll be the same experience from last year. So let us know if you're excited for more Dungeons and Dragons Battle at Waterdeep, or if you want a new experience, let us know in the comments below. He's doing his morning laps here, but Yoshi's getting ready because his brothers and sisters are coming. That's right, more Yoshi colors will be coming here for FanFest. Let us know what colors you're hoping for this year. I'm hoping for red. I know purple is also a big one, and maybe even black. And then there's also pink too. No, we already got pink last year. So yeah, let us know what colors you're hoping to look for this year at Super Nintendo World for FanFest. I'll give you a phone one second. Yoshi, it's so good to meet you. Oh my gosh, we're so excited to see you. You look wonderful in pink. We love the yellow shoes. Looks like you shined them just for us. You are looking wonderful. Let's get a photo to remember this. We waited so long for you and we're so excited, Yoshi. Thanks for meeting with us.
Have a great night.
There goes Yoshi. Bye, Yoshi.
Love you. All right, friends, and who's here for the 7:30? Come on in.
Get going. Yoshi's going back in, but we're gonna see him in just a few minutes. Hi there.
One friend, Yoshi.
Yoshi, it's so good to see you. I have seen all three Yoshis now. Can I be honest with you, Yoshi? You're my favorite one. I love the blue. I love your purple little shoes. Those are adorable. We love the colors. Thank you so much for me. I hope you come back, Yoshi. You can come back anytime in this forest. So let me put this down. We'll be right back. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but at the Minion restaurant, I just noticed these Coke machines, which look pretty brand new. So I'm gonna say that, yep, they add the freestyle Coke machines now to the Minions restaurant. That's an A+. Good job, Universal. Good to see you, Toad. We just went on your Mario Kart and we won, so let's get a picture to celebrate. Hi, Gabby. It's good to see you. How's it going? Are you excited about FanFest? I don't know if you're excited about FanFest, but I know we are. Hopefully one day you'll get to be a part of FanFest in some way too. This theater is called DreamWorks, and you're a part of DreamWorks, so two and two together, right? There should be some sort of show there, I think, one day. So hopefully. Anyway, let me get with your friend and let's take a picture. And your movie as well. I enjoy it a lot. Honestly, it's in my top 10 movies last year. Very good. Very enjoyable. I've never seen the show before, to be honest, but the movie was very good, though. I'll watch the show. I promise, but the movie was very good. I like the songs a lot, too. All right, let's get a picture real quick.
Hey there, fellas.
Oh, look at this.
How you doing? We got the New York Times in the house.
Look at this. The New York Times.
How we doing, fellas?
We're doing great. I like the mic here.
Thank you.
It.
I thought I can. Saying hello to all the citizens out there.
I know. You're going to direct some traffic out here?
I'm directing traffic and directing people. You
Yeah.
guys got a quote of the day that I can pass to the citizens.
Oh, man, I wish.
Quote of the morning.
Can I ask you, how's your New Year going right
Oh
now?
my gosh, the new year.
Yeah.
It's new year, new me.
Okay.
I got some goals I'm working on.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Biggest goal, only 11 of the 12 donuts. As long as I leave one, I think I'm doing good. That's
So
not so bad,
then,
right?
then you can pass on the 12th one to either a coworker or to
friend.
one of the people passing you
One of
by.
the special people, you guys
Yeah.
get. So
Yeah.
kind. Excellent. What was your guys' names?
Jared.
Pleasure.
Nice
Pleasure
to see
or
you.
officer case?
Well, we'll see you around today then, officer.
Case.
Thanks so much for keeping
yes,
us safe.
Of course, thank you. Get the
See ya.
neighborhood safe from me, all right?
Bye. There goes Poppy. Good to see you, Poppy. How you doing today? Oh, it's so good to see you too. Oh man, I hope you have an amazing day. The weather looks amazing. I'm jealous you get to be here all day in this amazing weather. Well, have a great day. Your fans are waiting for you, Poppy. So go meet them and have a trollful day. We'll see you next time. See you, officer.
Should I say something?
Let him come.
I don't think you have to hug the wall.
I feel safe.
We can't see you at all.
Exactly. Like it's cold and safe.
It's like my heart.
Same thing.
Ah.
Like, let's get out of here. We got chickens. Like, how's it going?
Good to see you guys. Oh, look who it is. Look at that fresh cut. Look at that.
Wait, hold on. You tell us to wait 90 minutes just for your first cut?
No, it's not because of that.
Oh, that is so not fair.
All right, also, happy birthday, Daniel.
Thank you so much.
He didn't
Yeah,
even say,
I have arrived.
Hey, I was the first. Maybe it was the first one. He didn't even say thank you to me. I'm mad at you.
Bro, what do you mean?
You didn't say thank you when I told you happy birthday.
I got a lot of messages.
Oh, and you got a lot of messages. But you didn't say
couldn't
thank you
see.
to me? No.
Well, thank you, Jeremy. Sorry, I couldn't say it. I got like a bunch of spams.
He's just so popular. He's just.
That's a new set I haven't seen. Take a look down there to the left. They have a brand new facade built right in the middle of that
Wow.
road.
Wow.
All right, so that is new that I had not seen there before. That is mainly because, take a look over here to the left. They have a pretty substantial production that is going to be filming here later on this week.
Wow.
So take a look. You're going to see this once more. But all those cars are going to be for the movie. All the decorations. That is obviously fake snow because it's like 80 degrees out here. And I'm going to tell you more about that as much as I can without losing my job here in a second. First thing, I'm going to let you all know, they've done so much decorating out here because they're going to be filming on this road on Tuesday. They've been filming here for a couple of weeks, and I can't tell you what it is. Just keep your eyes peeled. You might see some context clues of the decorations and whatnot. You can see they've added these military vehicles. They have a little truck with a bunch of stuff in the background there. The fake snow looks so good, right? And it's not going to change. That's the real reason why you want to make a movie out here in a movie set is because you can build it exactly the way that you want to, and it's not going to be touched, it's not going to be moved, and the snow is not going to melt. But if you want to physically change these buildings, you can do that pretty easily. Ooh, look at those motorcycles they pull out. That's pretty cool. They're like covered in fur. Now, a lot of these movie sets are made of plastic and fiberglass. So you just peel off the plastic brick and put up something else. A lot of times you're just going to add things to it because we build the buildings out here, and they automatically look pretty good. Now take a look at these. They look like they're covered in snow, right? Oh, I'm going to have to Google that. It says Brantford, New Hampshire. I'm going to have to Google Brantford, New Hampshire. Hope to see you again very soon. Well, that is going to conclude the movie studio tour today. We're going to get you all back to the theme park at this point. Thank you so much for coming out. Special thanks to all the annual pass holders on board. So I see quite a few familiar faces. A whole bunch of you guys.
Well, it doesn't sound awesome.
I adore the Good Place. It is so good. I love it so much. It's 4 seasons, 30-minute episodes, created by Michael Schur. It's also created Parks and Rec, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, The Office, and it's on Peacock. You check that out. Now, take a look at this set. This is brand new. They just added this. In fact, I'm looking for, I believe that's Greek. Can anyone speak Greek on board? Because I would love to know what that says. So it's a very, very cool addition to Little Europe, right? They're also building this set over here to the right-hand side. But as we pull forward, notice how drastically this set changes once we come around the corner.
Let's update really quick. Kung Fu Panda, they've had this stuff before. A lot of this, some of the stuff was over in Orlando, and then these are the blind boxes. For $20, you'll get one of these guys. I kind of want Master Oogway, to be honest. Anyway, guys, let us know who you would want in the chat below. We'll see you guys next time. This is your update for Lunar New Year's. I think this is Lunar New Year's, guys. This is it. All we're getting this year. You're getting dropped off, or you're trying to get back down to that area. You should know where this is. The normal way you would get dropped off from down at the hill or at your hotel would normally be a little bit down CityWalk. But we got this awesome, beautiful sign up right now for Universal. We got the shark fin there in tribute to Jaws. And right over here, this is now the area. This is where hotels and trams will be dropping people off. It's right here. This is the new drop-off area. So if you're trying to get down the hill to the metro or back to your hotel, these should be the area where that's happening. This is where all the private tours, they're just getting off with a bus, it looks like, in some way. So yeah, right here, guys, if you're trying to get down, this is where they're gonna have you now. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, but this is where you should be going. Journey, this is gonna be rumored to be the new security hub over here. This will be, as you can see, stairs and escalators and whatnot. This will be where you're coming in to do a security checkpoint instead of the current way, which is in front of the theme park, but we'll have to see that. Until next time, safe journeys.